In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order in Shopify. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. So let's dive right in, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to handle order cancellations like a pro. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll want to focus on the Orders tab, which is usually located near the top of this menu. Go ahead and click on Orders. This section lists all the current and past orders you have within your store. The next step is to locate the specific order that you wish to cancel. Take your time here if you have a long list of orders. You might find it helpful to use any filters or search features to narrow down the list, especially if you're handling a high volume of orders each day. Once you've spotted the order, click on the order number. This will take you into a more detailed view of that order. Inside the order details, look towards the top of the page. You should see a button labeled More Actions. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll select Cancel Order. This step brings up a new set of options that you'll need to consider before finalizing the cancellation. Now, at this point, you have some important decisions to make. First, you'll need to decide on the refund options. Do you want to give a full refund right now? Or perhaps just a partial one? Maybe you prefer to refund what the customer paid immediately. Consider what makes the most sense for your situation and choose accordingly. In addition, it's crucial to think about the restocking of the item. If you've already sent the item, restocking may not be an option. However, if it hasn't left your premises, you might want to choose to restock it, ensuring your inventory is up to date and accurate. Once you've made your decision regarding refunds and restocking, there's a final step before confirming this cancellation. Use the drop-down menu provided to select a reason for the order cancellation. Common reasons include stock unavailability or a customer-initiated request. Selecting a reason not only helps with record keeping, but also provides insights for potential improvements in your process. After you've filled in all the necessary options, simply click on Cancel Order. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an order in Shopify. It's a simple process, but ensuring you follow these steps carefully can help maintain a smooth operation for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips for optimizing your Shopify store.